The Courtyard of Healing. At the sacred sanctuary of Imam Reza, peace be upon him, the courtyard that seems to take the very first breath, where the heart of the shrine begins to beat, is known as Sahn-e-Inqilab. To the people of devotion, this is the Old Courtyard, where the scent of the Timurid era still lingers, each stone, each tile, carrying the memory of centuries past. Within this courtyard, a quiet reverence fills the air, invisible yet deeply felt. And at its sacred center, enclosed by a lattice of steel and bronze, dwells a realm of pure spiritual effect. This iron grille, though strong in form, melts hearts at a single touch. Tears often flow unbidden as visitors pour out their sorrows in silent prayer. Here, fortunes locked away begin to open. Pilgrims tie knots of green thread upon the grille, leaving behind a piece of their longing, and walk away in trust that no plea goes unanswered at the threshold of the divine. This grille is not just a structure of metal, it is the qibla of hope. Each knot, each thread is a voice, a cry of someone in pain, someone lost or in need. These threads become color, become sound, become spirit, a language that reaches beyond the sky. Perhaps this is why they call it the Courtyard of Healing. For not only the body, but the soul too finds remedy here. Patients are brought, tied with cloth, and trusted to the shrine's mercy. And when healing is granted, the sound of the Nakara drums rises from the rooftop like as if heaven itself rejoices in divine acceptance. Opposite this sacred grille stands another luminous symbol, the Saka Khane. Wrapped in a golden shell, it is not merely a place to quench thirst, but a sanctuary, a spiritual milestone. Its base stones were laid in the era of Nader Shah, but its gilded elegance was a tribute from Ismail Khan, a noble of Fath Ali Shah Qajar's court. Hence, it is lovingly called Ismail's Fountain. And under its glimmering shade gather flocks of white doves, seemingly ordinary birds, but the heart wonders, are they not heavenly pilgrims? Their wings seem laced with supplications, their beaks dripping with unseen prayer. Who knows where they come from or when they return? But surely, they too have come to pay homage before the Lord. This courtyard, this lattice, this fountain, this echoing drum, they create a world suspended in time, a moment where the soul takes flight. Here, the pilgrim stands on earth, but their heart ascends closer to the throne above.
अल्लाहु नूरुस्समावाति वल अर्द।
अल्लाह आसमानों और जमीन का नूर है।